Hello student, 10th CBSE formula arithmetic progression. Common difference equal to D equal to A2 minus A1. General form of AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Nth term An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Last term L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Sum of first n terms Sn equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Sn equal to N by 2, A plus L. A equal to first term, L equal to last term. An equal to Sn minus. Hello students, 10th CBSE formula quadratic equations. Quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Nature of roots, two distinct real roots, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Two distinct real roots, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Two equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. No real root.